what it do? Like I said in my last haul, your girl's got time. So I bought this Model 1's gel nail kit from Amazon for $49.99 after watching some videos from Long Hair Pretty Nails here on YouTube. So that's what we're gonna be looking at in this video. So everything comes in this box, and when you open the box you see this pouch that holds basically most of the products that you're gonna get, and afterwards of course you could keep everything safe and secure in this pouch. So when you open it up, and I just want to throw out a word here that everything literally came like individually packaged, and I appreciate that, Model 1s. So the first things I pull out are the base coat, the glossy top coat, and the matte top coat. Then everything else came in this Ziploc bag. Again, shout outs for the packaging, I really appreciated it. So in this pouch we get the fluffy brush to just dust off all the excess dust from filing and whatever. And this brush is actually very soft. Then we have the double-sided cuticle pusher. So the cuticle pusher on one end and then like a scraper on the other end. Then we have the toe or finger separators, a nail file and a buffer. Both have 100 and 180 sides. A cuticle clipper, a little nail clipper, some cuticle oil, and a cuticle treatment, which is basically to help soften the cuticles so that'll be easier to push back. Then we have some removal soaks to help take off the gel nail polish, as well as UV gel cleanser to clean the nails before applying the gel product. So that's everything that was in the pouch. Now the next thing from the box is this, which houses all the colored nail polish that is in the set, and as you can see there are 6 of them. Next we have the UV LED lamp, which is a 24-watt lamp. It comes with the adapter and then the UV lamp itself. It's compact enough to fit in this box first of all, and it's big enough to fit my whole hand. The bottom part can also separate, so if you want you can also use it for your feet. Then we have some operating instructions, a little thank you card, and some more instructions in other languages. And that's everything that came in the box. Now we're gonna go into some swatches of the nail colors. Each bottle comes with 10 ml of product and is not individually named, they just have numbers. So we have this light lilac lavender shade, this peachy shade. This is actually like a light pink on the nails. This dark gray. This deep mauve. And this off-white sort of gray, lightish gray color. The lamp you can either turn on or off, or there is also a sensor that you can use. In the box they also gave these stickers so that you can paint and cure the polish on it, and then you'll be able to easily identify the nail polishes again because there's no names. So now let's get into the nails. I'm beginning with shaping. I'm not really taking off much length, so there's no real need for the nail clipper, so I'm gonna go in with the nail file. This is like my 3rd time using the kit, so in taking off my last set I actually did most of the nail prep that you're gonna be seeing in this video, but I have to demonstrate the product, so that's that's what's going on here. I'm going for the square tips, so I'm just straightening out the edges as well as hitting up the side wall. I've noticed my nails have been getting a bit weak, so I'm filing in one direction to help in preventing peeling and splitting of the nails. And to ensure that the tips of my nails are as straight as possible, I look at them from every angle because you don't want to mess it up. Next will be cuticle work, so I'm using the cuticle treatment to soften the cuticles, and ideally I'd be using the cuticle pusher that comes in the kit, but I do find that it is a bit sharp. It may be the tool itself or my technique, but I feel like it's a bit too sharp for me at this moment, so I prefer to use a wooden orange stick to push back the cuticles. It's a softer material, so it gives me the leeway to really like push back the cuticles with the confidence in knowing that I won't be like scraping off my nail and damaging my nail. Next will be to trim the cuticles, which in the nail world, if you watch a good few videos, you realize it's like a taboo topic. Like, some people aren't into trimming the cuticles, but like I said already, I did that like 2 or 3 days ago. So I'm just scoring the nails to ensure that I don't have any hang nails developing, or just make sure that the nails are refined and perfect. After that, we'll be buffing the nail, and I'm using the softer side of the nail buffer, which is the 180 side, and removing the shine from the nail because we're going to be getting into the polish application soon. And I'm just lightly buffing the nail. Like I said, my nails are a bit weak, so I'm just really being very gentle. I'm just doing the bare minimum, but also ensuring that the entire nail is buffed because I want my gel polish to apply well as last. I'm dusting off the dust and going into cleaning the nail with the UV gel cleanser wipe. When this is finished, or even in place of this, I could just use acetone, pure acetone, and a cotton ball or lint-free wipe. It's basically just to ensure that the nail is clean and dehydrated before application of the nail polish. So nail prep is done. Now we're gonna go into the fun part, and I'm using the base coat first, of course, using a very thin layer of the base coat, ensuring that the entire nail is covered from sidewall to sidewall, as well as capping the free edge. And for each layer applied, you want to apply thin layers so you don't get that very thick look. I mean, if you like that look, then feel free to go ahead, but it also helps in ensuring that each layer is cured well. So after applying the base coat to all my nails, I cure that in the lamp for 1 minute and then proceed to color. I'm using the gray color, again going in with thin layers from sidewall to sidewall and capping the free edge. The first layer application is very sheer, but that's okay because as we apply more layers, the color gets more opaque. Then I'm going in with the light kind of off gray color on my ring finger. I just wanted to change, I wanted to get back into my nail art days, so that's what's going on here. Everything is painted, so we cure the first layer for 1 minute and then go into applying our second layer. Again, going in with a thin application from sidewall to sidewall and capping the free edge. I actually went in with a third layer because it just wasn't opaque enough for me on the second, so I just wanted it to have that color all throughout the nail. Now into the nail art portion. Like, you guys, this is not a tutorial in no way, shape or form. I think this is actually my first time ever doing this marble nail art, so bear with me. I'm using this thin nail art brush dipped in the same gray polish to make these like squiggly lines, then using this other brush dipped in acetone to share it out. If you want to learn how to do a proper marble nail art design, this is not the video for you. Your girl was struggling. Anyway, that's how this is looking. It's really looking a hot mess. And now we're gonna go in with the top coat. Again, a thin layer from sidewall to sidewall, capping the free edge. I'm using the glossy top coat. And as the instructions state, I cure the top coat for 80 seconds. And the thing with gel that I really like is that once you're finished curing the top coat, you're done. Especially with this one, the top coat is a no wipe top coat. So some gels, their top coats have like a sticky layer that you have to then go in and get rid of with rubbing alcohol. But this kit, you don't, it's a no wipe top coat. So the nails are done, shiny, so pretty and dry. So now we're gonna go in with the cuticle oil to rehydrate the nails and the cuticles after all that acetone and drying of the lamp. And in the words of Susie from Nail Career Education, let's get into the reveal shots. I've linked this kit in the description box below if you want to check it out. I would recommend it. I'm not a nail, I'm not an expert, so especially being a beginner, I personally feel like if this kit had everything that I needed to be able to do a gel set on my natural nails from beginning to end, I would recommend it. You can go ahead and check it out, as well as check out the 2 nail channels that I mentioned in this video, Long Hair Pretty Nails as well as Nail Career Education. If you are into doing gel nails or acrylic, both of them are really good channels to watch and learn from. If you want to see a video of me showcasing the matte top coat, or if you want to encourage me getting back into my nail art game and want to see more nail videos, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.